Hi friends, welcome to today's market analysis of unmasking trading. So let us go straight into the morning. In morning, we had informed you at 8:58 that SGS Nifty was trading at some points higher, 43 points higher. So and also we had informed you that you can expect a gap up just above 13,900. Okay, so coming on to morning, you can see market open just above 13,900. Exactly, it opened at 13,910. Okay, then it moved to around 13,960. Okay, 13,961. What was that range? That range was also put in today. This is the Nifty. You can see our mark. Our range is 13,961. Okay, and also we had put another range of 14,016. So what happened is Nifty in the morning went up to our range 13,961, just above it. It is actually 13,965, I think. And after that, it came down. Okay, it took us support at 18,860 or so, and it consolidated and ended at 13,926. Okay, so you can see we had mentioned in our group in the morning itself, like futures of major market indices are positive. Okay, and one more thing, important thing was FTSE was closed for 4 days. So that market didn't get the effect of US stimulus or post Brexit trade deals. Okay, and this may take global markets up by after 12 p.m. So we had plotted the morning. This is the futures task at investing.com website. Okay, and you can see here Dow Jones was at 0.44, and FTSE was really positive at 1%, and DAX was at 0.41. So due to all this, we got a gap of opening, and it really respected our level at 13,961. Okay, so what happened after that was we have lot of open interest. Okay, we have lot of open interest at 14,000. Yesterday I had mentioned this. It is now 16 lakh. Okay, so what happened is like those big institutional traders, they don't want to go above 14,000. So what they did was they uh, pushed every sector down. You can see after that there was a sell-off. Okay, there was a sell-off in energy, auto sector, or many FMCG sector, etc. There was a sell-off. Okay, so that brought back Nifty to lower levels. Okay, so you can see at that time Bank Nifty was really positive, really looking positive. You can see coming to Bank Nifty. At those times Bank Nifty was looking really positive. Okay, there was really a good up movement. So if the Bank Nifty goes past 13,300, okay, like that, this our Nifty will go past 14,000. So there was a sell-off in all other sectors, and at last it affected Bank Nifty also. After some time, Bank Nifty also fell. Okay, and coming into Bank Nifty, you can see we had updated this chart. Okay, this chart in early morning. So this was our levels. What was that level? 31,194 and 31,447. Okay, so keep watching that level 31,194. Okay, so what happened was, it when it went up here, it touched our level. Okay, it touched our level, then there was a small resistance, but this level was broken. Okay, this level was broken and it went up. Okay, and after market crashed, bank nifty also crashed, and it crashed just it came to 31,000. That was the opening range, and it went up. Okay, it went up, and all those times when it was going up, it again respected our levels at 13,000, 31,194. 1 2 3 4 4 times. Okay, so, and we are informing you about the uptrend in the market. So what was that uptrend? This was the thing. We were telling you that this support was added at 30,000, 13,900, 850, 800, etc. Okay, and there was a sell off at 13,900 CE. So we had informed that looking at the open interest, the market is positive, and we had updated that it would be consolidation between 13,930 and 13,980 at 9:45. Okay, and the important thing is, we had updated you the opening 30 minutes range of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So for Nifty, it was 910 at the bottom and 13,956 at the top. Okay. So what happened is, if you go to Nifty, this was 13,910. This one, okay, red line. So when it crossed that opening range, it gave good momentum and it went up to 13,860. And after that, when it came up, it respected these levels few times. Okay, so coming back to Bank Nifty, the opening range was 31,000 and also 31,301. We had updated those levels. These are given by these red lines, 31,301. Okay, this one. Due to this pattern and also the European markets, seeing the positivity in European markets, we had given this input. Like, even though market has crashed, we had given that global markets are still positive. So it was holding in a positive manner, and we had given that Bank Nifty has a good amount of call and put option at 31,000. So it can come to 31,000. That was the, and also we had given so many close, etc. We had given at 1250 that if this Bank Nifty breaches this range, like 31,200 or this range, okay, marked by this, we will have a big movement. Okay, so we had marked this, and this is given at 1250. So what happened is, at exactly 1 p.m, you can see after 1 p.m, this range was broken. 31,200 was broken with very big candle, and what happened is, it really went up 31,301, which was the opening range. You could have easily booked your profit here. So after that, it really consolidated, and it is in an uptrend. So looking at the open interest data, here is something interesting. Okay, you can see something interesting. This amount was actually 23 lakh, 22 or 23 lakh. Okay, at some time, at the put interest rate 13,900. Okay, during closing hours, it was reduced 7 lakh. Amount of put open interest was reduced. Okay, then it came to 15 lakh. Okay, This is really interesting because last time when market crashed, there was a huge put option interest at 13,700. Okay, it was reduced at like the morning itself, and after some half an hour, the market crashed. So we don't know whether there will be a crash tomorrow, but this is a point to be noted. And one more thing, in the Bank Nifty, you can see this 31,500 open interest. Here, new open interest today was around 7 lakh. So it has reduced to 3 lakh. And also there is a small amount of reduction in open interest in these areas. So what happened is like if the Bank Nifty is going up tomorrow, there will be sell-off in other sections like auto, FMCG, like that. There will be sell-off to maintain the market below 14,000. That is what I expect. I don't know. That is what I expect. I will give my opinion only. I'm not advising you to take trades. Okay. So this is my opinion. You can see my point. This is a image captured before that, before closing. Okay. Here you can see there was 14 lakh open interest in 31,500, and you can see there was a new open interest 7 lakh, 2 lakh, 6 lakh, 2 lakh, etc. And during closing hours, it has considerably reduced. This shows some kind of uptrend in Bank Nifty, and there is support added here 31,300, 200, 100, and 31,000. Okay, I think 31,000 is a good support now. Today's DIA data is FIS has purchased for 5,426 crores, okay, and DIS has sold for 3,000 crores. So net effect is 2,349 crores. So they had pumped money into the market. Okay, so there is no profit booking. They might have moved from one sector to other, like FMCG to banks, like that. Okay, so here also DIA data, DIA, there was a good sell-off like minus 2,000 crores. So looking at the live market, this is the futures tab from investing.com. Here Dow Jones futures is still positive 0.45. It has cooled down a little bit, okay, a little bit it has cooled down. Now you can see the major indices in here where you can see European markets live. So you can see this FTSE 100 was trading at more than 2.5%. Okay, in the morning I had told. In the morning I told this FTSE was closed for 4 days, and it was not able to take the effect of US stimulus and some other Brexit trade deals, etc. So I expected a big opening in FTSE, and it gave us lot of momentum to the global markets. Okay. So this is what happening now. It is still at 2% up, and also DAX and CAC is also up. Now what we can expect is like looking at these results tomorrow morning. I will be updating you what we can expect in tomorrow morning. Okay. So I don't expect Nifty to break 14,000 because lot of interest is on 14,000. And if the Bank Nifty is going violently up, okay, the other Nifty may be controlled by other selling of in other sectors. So I will be in the morning itself. I will be updating you the tomorrow's range. Okay, tomorrow's range, and you can subscribe to our free Telegram channel, Unmasking Trading. I will be updating the link in the comment box. Subscribe to our channel, and also in the YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get daily updates. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day.